Did you know your skincare routine could be harming your skin instead of helping it? Many commercial beauty products contain hidden toxins that can lead to irritation, premature aging, and long-term damage. Common toxins in skincare: parabens, linked to hormonal imbalances; sulfates, which strip natural oils causing dryness; artificial fragrances, known to trigger allergies and irritation; and synthetic preservatives, harsh on sensitive skin. These ingredients can clog pores, dry out skin, and cause breakouts. Over time, these toxins accumulate in your body, potentially affecting your overall health. Why choose natural skincare? Natural products are gentle on the skin, yet powerful. They're rich in vitamins and antioxidants that nourish, hydrate, and protect. They work with your skin, not against it. That's why we created the Radiant Wellness Set, a powerful 3-step routine featuring African black soap, Radiance Revive Oil, and Collagen Capsules. Let's break them down. African black soap deeply cleanses and purifies your skin. Radiance Revive Oil nourishes and restores hydration. Collagen capsules support skin elasticity and repair. It's time to ditch the toxins and choose nature's best. Your skin deserves clean, safe, and effective ingredients. Switch to natural skincare today and experience the transformation. Like, share, and follow our channel for more wellness tips.